These are our solar battery maintainers. So what these are for is maintaining fully charged batteries. So every lead acid type battery, whether it's AGM or flooded or gel cell, they all discharge at a steady rate, even when you're not powering anything with them. So what these do is keep up with that self-discharge, we call it. So the advantage here for the customer is when they're putting something in storage, whether it's an RV or a boat or a quad or a snowmobile or anything like that, anything with a 12-volt battery, this will keep that battery charged, motorcycles even. So this is a 10-watt version. We also have a 5-watt version, which is smaller. They both come in nice retail packaging like this. It'll hang on pegboard or you can put it on the shelf. Looks great, it shows off the product and what it's for. Comes with, I believe it's 15 or 16 feet of cable. And then in addition to that, on the ends, we have either a permanent connection to the battery, so you can do these little eyelets. It has a fuse, and then the quick connect on the other side. So somebody can have this permanently mounted to any 12-volt battery. And then we also have a 12-volt plug. So plug this into your cigarette lighter or 12-volt adapter and keep the battery charged that way. So very easy to use. Just put it out in the sun. It'll keep up with that self-discharge of the battery.